Hi, I'm Don, and welcome to Local Spotlight Fortune. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and start using your brand new Local Spotlight website. This is my latest done-for-you system, complete with training and marketing materials, all built around a one-of-a-kind top local business concept. Here's the idea. You'll have a professional top business website that lets you feature, promote, and spotlight local businesses in your city. You can charge for sponsored listings, sell ad placements, or use it to attract clients for your agency services, all from one ready-to-launch website. Now let me give you a quick tour of your Local Spotlight website. At the top, you'll see a bold, eye-catching hero section with rotating banners and sliders featuring 8 main business categories. Next comes the popular listings section, followed by an introduction module and a showcase of your latest top business lists, complete with ad placements on the right. A bit further down, there are dedicated spotlight sections for major industries like healthcare and home services. Now, let's explore a sample top list post. For example, top roofing contractors in Orlando. Each post starts with an introduction that offers helpful tips for choosing the right roofer, followed by your ranked list. At the very top is the sponsored listing spot, an exclusive premium ad placement you can offer for around $397 per month to just one business per niche. In the sidebar, you can add up to 2 more ad spots, giving you extra flexibility and revenue potential. The exclusivity of these placements makes them easy to sell. Finally, let's head to one of the main category pages, beauty and personal care. This page displays all listings related to that industry. And just like before, you can feature ads here as well, giving your sponsors even more visibility across your site. Now let's go through the installation process. It's easy. We'll assume you already have a WordPress site set up with your own domain and hosting. First, go to the Plugins section and click Add New. Search for WP Vivid and install the first one that shows up. This is the backup plugin we'll use to install the site. Next, head into the WP Vivid interface and click Upload. You'll see a box where you can drag and drop your backup file. This file is available in your member area. It's lightweight and usually uploads in about a minute. Once it's uploaded, hit Restore and give it another minute or so. The restore process usually takes just a few minutes, depending on your hosting speed. Most standard hosting plans can handle it easily. If you run into any issues during installation, simply visit the troubleshoot page included in your member area for quick, step-by-step solutions. That's done. Log in with the default username and password provided. And just like that, you're in the dashboard of your new Local Spotlight site. Let's take a quick look at the homepage. And yes, it looks exactly like the demo. Now let's move to the back end. When you set up your site for your own area, you'll first want to delete all the default Orlando posts I've included as samples. Next, go to the Local Spotlight plugin. This is where I've added a built-in instant generator that lets you create location-based posts in seconds. Just type in your city or area name, click Generate, and the system will automatically create 40 ready-made posts featuring local business categories for your chosen area. With Local Spotlight Fortune, you'll never have to start from scratch. Everything, from the website design to the content structure, is ready to help you launch fast, attract attention in your city, and start selling sponsored ad spots and listings right away. It's designed to give you a professional, high-value presence that businesses will want to be featured on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.